Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be announcing the July giveaway winner. Just a quick rundown. Every month for the year of 2024, I've been doing a giveaway. I put out a video and there is a few entry rules, and then I pick a winner at the end of the deadline. So if you followed all the rules, you're entered into this giveaway. First, I want to thank everyone for participating, and I truly appreciate everybody taking the time to enter. This month, I was feeling extra generous. Not only did I pick a winner that properly entered, I selected an additional winner. So stay tuned for that winner and what they'll win. Let's get straight into the video. This is the prize. It's this Modelones gift box, and it has a lamp, all type of nail art supplies in it, a prepping kit, instructions, a manual, 12 gel polishes and all that, a base coat, top coat, matte coat. I won't open it all. You guys hear my voice? Your girl is tired. I had a long week. Let's announce the winner. The winner for this month Modelones giveaway is Creative Beauty Butterfly. You are the lucky winner of this Modelones gift box. You have 48 hours to contact me. My email is in my About section. Congratulations and thank you for entering my giveaway. Now this next winner, I wanted to do her exactly one like this. When I went to order, it was unavailable. So I ordered her this. And this particular person, she is a minor, and she comments under her mom account, under her nanny's account. She on my TikTok commenting about my photos and everything like that. So she is one of my younger cuticle cuties that always on my channel and showing me some love, and I just wanted to gift her something. That lucky winner is Maddie. Congratulations, Maddie. You will receive this. So congratulations to both winners. Stay tuned for my August giveaway. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And guys, turn on those notifications so you won't miss when I go live or drop a video. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.